If you're looking for a powerful, flexible, and beginner-friendly cloud hosting platform, CloudWays is one name you've probably seen everywhere, and for good reason. In this video, I'll show you what CloudWays is, why so many developers and website owners use it, and how you can test the platform before fully committing. Click on the link in the description or comment, and try it now. CloudWays is a managed cloud hosting platform that helps you launch and manage websites on top of major cloud providers, all from one simple dashboard. Instead of dealing with complex server setups, CloudWays handles many of the technical aspects so you can focus on building and growing your site. One of the reasons CloudWays stands out is its flexibility. You can deploy popular applications like WordPress, manage performance settings, enable security features, and scale resources as your project grows. This makes CloudWays suitable for blogs, business websites, e-commerce stores, and development projects. Another key advantage of CloudWays is control without complexity. You get access to advanced hosting tools, but the interface is designed to be clear and accessible, even if you're not a server expert. If you're evaluating hosting options, testing a platform before making a long-term decision is always a smart move. CloudWays allows users to explore its environment, understand how the dashboard works, and see how their website performs in real conditions. This video is for educational purposes and reflects my experience and research with the CloudWays platform. Hosting performance and results may vary depending on configuration, usage, and individual needs. Always review the official CloudWays documentation and terms before making a decision. If you want more videos about cloud hosting, WordPress performance, and modern web infrastructure, make sure to subscribe and check out the next video. Learn more about CloudWays and see if it fits your hosting needs.